Hello and welcome to this AEWeb demonstration video. Today I will show you how to upload and update your static website on Archethic blockchain. Let's get started. And now we're on AEWeb application, and firstly you have to connect your Archethic wallet and be sure that it's in the test version. So here you find the form that requires essential information for deploying your site. So first step, you click on New Static Site in the main menu or the plus icon for your deployed sites. And after you have to fill the form with your website name and upload your website content as an archive file. So in my case, let's call it the beautiful website, and I will upload this file, which I will let you link in the description, so you could try out by yourself. And also, if you have any specific files to include via Gitignore files, you can mention them, and you can also add your domain certificate and the associated private key if you have one. So this is not my case for today. And once you filled in the necessary information and agree to the rules, now you're ready to deploy your site. So I open at the same time my wallet. So first confirmation, you have to confirm the creation on the site in your keychain. Second one is sign the transactions with your site content. The third one, sign the reference transaction for your site in the blockchain. And finally, sign the transaction to transfer funds for your site to function. So now you'll see the associated fees, and once you accept them, your site will be published on the blockchain. Let's check it. Yeah, so you can see it's here. Okay, and also please remember that during the beta version there is a 3 MB limits for each site. Okay, now let's see how you can update your site on the Archethic blockchain. To update your website, follow these simple steps. So the first step, you go to the context menu of your deployed site. You click on sync from local folders and choose the updated version of your site as a new archive file. The application will show you how the difference between your current version and the blockchain on your updated site. I will show my wallet again because we need to confirm all the steps. So now the AEWeb will guide you through the few wallet confirmation, the same like it was for the first part when we uploaded website. So you need to send transaction with the content of your new site version. The next one, you have to send a transaction to update the reference transaction in the blockchain. And the third one, you have to sign the transaction to transfer funds for your updated site. And the same, when you accepted the fees, your updated site will be published on the blockchain. And that's it, you've seen how it's easy to deploy and update your static website using AEWeb on Archethic blockchain. So now visit our AEWeb application to learn more and try out AEWeb for yourself. Take your website hosting to the next level. And I see you very soon. Bye!